utilizing digital technology as an innovation to support lifelong learning in rural community. The use of digital technology in rural area offer potential solution to expand access to education for community that currently face limited facility and resource. Access to smartphone and learning platform, social media, and digital library provides opportunity for people to learn anytime and anywhere. For example, farmers can access innovation about modern agricultural innovation through YouTube. Housewives can participate in online entrepreneurship training, and young people in rural area can learn digital skill that often open job opportunity. Thus, digital technology can bridge the educational of the between urban and rural area. However, in the other and major challenge facing rural community is the digital divide. This gap includes limited internet access, minimal electric infrastructure, and low level of community participation to use technology devices. Gunawan stated that the main problem is not only in the availability to technology, but also in the availability of human resource to operate and utilize of accessible. Many rural community device and smartphone, but area unable to use them optimal of learning and self-development. Furthermore, economic factor also influence people ability to access digital technology. Not all families in rural area can afford device and sustainable internet connection for online learning. This situation exacerbated by the lack of digital literacy training that should prevent the community in improvement their ability to use technology productivity. Therefore, the use of digital technology as along learning innovation, the rural community need to be designed with a social and economic content in mind. Digital-based education program must be tailored to local needs, the language use, and the technological capabilities available at the ground. Rules and discussion. The role of digital technology in live learning. Digital technology play a high strategic role in creating an open, accessible, and sustainable learning ecosystem. Today in digital area, the concept of learning is no longer limited a classroom or specific time for a specific age, but specific to process that can be done anyway, anytime, and anyone. With digital technology, every individual has the potential to become life learning of continuous and updates in science to be needs of times. Various digital platform. Various digital platform connects learning tools that can reach all level of sociality, including those living in rural area in learning, mobile learning, learning management system, LMS, and social media are are tenable from the educational innovation to canal holistic learning cross a region. The role of social media in school to teach simplicity, familiarity, and accessibility, even for those with limited digital literacy. The social media serve and dual purpose as a social community tool and a bright to inclusive non-formal education. According to Rahmawati, in the implementation of the learning has offered extraordinary confidence for a people to learn with the constraints of space and in the time through online learning system, individual and tech training course or like through online using only a simple device US smartphone and laptop. This model particularly relevant in rural area where distance and time constraints are often major obstacle for people access formal education. Learning also allow people to learn at their own pace and abilities make the learning process more flexible and personalized. A learning innovation in rural community. Learning innovation in rural community are the from the need to bridge the gap between limited access to education and the rapid advance of technology. The innovation involved not only the use of digital devices but also change in how community manage the learning process from a formal system to a more open, flexible, and community-based one. Some emergency innovation include digital community reading grants, which provide not only printed books but also internet access, computer and digital literacy training. Digital learning content in village has or local library which as a context for technology-based learning and training activities. Community online training initiated by NGOs, university or local environment so as training in digital entrepreneurship, modern actuarial and financial management. Utilizing education social media, YouTube, WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook as a means of sharing knowledge, discussion topic, and building informal learning community. Utilizing of digital technology, wide and more flexible access to learn. People can learn anything and anywhere without having to go to a formal educational institution. This is very helpful for rural community with limited time and distance. Increasing digital and general knowledge through various digital platform. People learn how to use technological device access information and develop critical thinking skill. Empowering the local economy. Many villages utilize digital learning to develop small business, promote product through social media, and expand marketing networks. Processing local knowledge, digital technology help community document local wisdom, tradition, and village culture. Video, blog, social media prevent the from being lost the moderation. Grouping a cultural of lifelong learning. With easier access to learning, people are being beginning and understand that the learning process does non-stop at school. They are more often the knowledge and activity seek would independent learning result. Change in implementing digital technology. Many rural area looks a stable internet connection, a technology device, or consistent electric. Some communities still struggle to use technology device and don't understand the benefit for economic development. Processing digital device, internet access, and literary training require significant costs, while many feel have limited budgets. Your generation adapted to technology more quickly than older people. The elderly often creating the gap in digital skill and residence. Not all local governments have sustainable programs for developing digital learning in village, resulting in many institutions failing. Next, strategy for implementing digital technology in rural community. Empowering community digital literacy through basic training and device usage, internet access, and digital security. Development and environment of digital infrastructure. The government and the private sector need to collaboration to expand internet networks in the rural area and private public facilitate use of corners. Multi-stakeholder collaboration pentahelix model itu involves the government, educational institution, the private sector, community, and the media design sustainable digital learning program. Ya Allah. The development and conceptual learning context. Learning material need to be tailored to the needs rural community, use as agricultural technology, local entrepreneurship, financial literacy, and cultural preservation. Community mentor and evaluation, digital training should non-stop the intel activities. Long-term mentoring is needed to use that community. Next, from discussion about it can be concluded that utilizing technology is a key strategy for creating learning community in rural area. Through community-based innovation, technology often access the knowledge, result learning participant, and access to learn participant and strengthen community empowerment. Will various challenges remain with the support of authority position, infrastructure, and collaboration. Digital technology can become key driver sustainable education development in rural area. Okay, thank you for everything. Thank you everyone.